Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Our next story takes us here to Grenada, Mississippi, an area known for lumbering and agriculture, and an important part of the food belt in America. But did you know that nearly half of all food produced in the world goes to waste? Well, the food preservation technology happening right here is helping to change that. Let's take a look. The global population is expanding rapidly, expected to be 10 billion people by the year 2050, and it's going to take up to a 70% increase in food production to feed them all. Yet a major problem in America is food waste, affecting not only chronic hunger on this earth, but also our environment. The average American household wastes almost a third of the food they purchase.
It's a huge problem. That adds up to about 1.5 billion pounds of food that's wasted every year. Anything we can do to try and prevent that food waste is going to be a step in the right direction. We have certain innovative food packaging technologies that can try to extend shelf life. Any types of equipment, tools like that we have at our disposal that we can try and extend that shelf life and prevent the food waste is going to be a step in the right direction.
This is why food preservation and packaging is so important in the food industry, for both the supermarket manager as well as the customer, who always wants the most healthy and fresh food available.
Food waste in our business is one of our top priorities. We're doing anything we can to ensure that our product has a long shelf life. Sustainability is one of our targets, this year, and has been in the past, but we have really made a big push forward to lessen our footprint.
One of the new technologies that's being used to preserve food and keep it fresh longer can actually be found within an absorbent food pad to wrap foods like meat, poultry, and it's innovative technology that started in a lab like this. These food pads contain active natural ingredients to help reduce bacterial growth and extend the shelf life of packaged fresh meat and poultry by several days.
So we make a product that you probably see every day in products that you buy at the grocery store. Most consumers buy trays filled with proteins. We make the absorbent that's in the bottom of it, and we use a chemical constituent that generates CO2 gas as a byproduct. And CO2 gas, what that's doing is extending the shelf life by lowering the bacterial levels in the package. Bacteria levels reach a certain point when you have to throw the package away. So what we're doing is extending the shelf life of the product by lowering the bacteria levels. If you can lower the bacteria levels, then you can actually push the shelf life out a little bit further. The product is still fresh for the consumer for a longer period of time.
The company behind this technology is called Novipax, a leading manufacturer of absorbent products for the food industry. With an earth-friendly approach to doing business for over 60 years, Novipax has manufacturing plants here in Grenada, Mississippi, as well as across the country, dedicated to active packaging that will not only preserve food products, but also preserve our environment.
So here at Novipax, we're the market leader in food absorbent pads. Our mission is to provide innovative, high-performing products to our customers that extend food life on the shelf and thus reduce food waste. The absorbent pad is very important in extending the shelf life of the product. And we think it's very important for us to make the pads out of products that are sustainable. For instance, all of the fluff pulp that we use, and that is the main absorbent in these pads, is FSC certified. All products we bring to the market continue to move down that path to be greener and greener. Here's an example. We have developed a compostable pad called Drylock Terra, Terra for Earth. And we are the only manufacturer out there that has a compostable pad. It's a certified pad, and we're very proud of that. I think one way to look at Novipax is to think of us as a company that is preserving the environment one package at a time.
Using the extended packs from Novipax has been a huge benefit for us to extend shelf life for us in the store and for the customers at home.
That's going to have a huge impact, an economic impact for the processors. Whenever food starts to go bad, whether it's discoloring, whether it's microbial spoilage, that's a huge economic loss to the processors, to the retailers. So if we can extend that by even a day or two and prevent that from getting wasted, going into a landfill, that's going to have a huge economic and both an environmental impact in the country.
It's food preservation technology in a pad that's helping stop global food waste, thanks to big scientific technology research in small town America.